Busy day at the office. Fruit roll-ups, Takis, pickles. Got our pickles, fruit roll-ups. And some Takis. How are these burritos looking? They look delicious.
No, I knew he was camping there.
If he knew, then why'd you fall for it?
He was gonna hide there too.
You were gonna hide there too.
He was gonna grab the thing. He was just there. I should have just pulled out my. It was better from you.
Struggle. Delicious. All right.
Dylan going.
Ready?
It's just a pickle.
It's interesting. I can feel the fruit roll up, like it's chewy, but I can't taste it.
I can kind of.
It tastes sour.
I think it was too big of a pickle. I can't.
On a scale of 1 to 10.
6.
How about you? 8? I think I give it a 4.
You didn't even feel the spice either from the taco.
Okay, now we're gonna do the ice cream and fruit roll-ups. Thank you. Kind human.
Go to the counselor's office, Mama. You're in trouble.
Nurse is coming to me, calling.
I just.
Oh, it just like snapped apart because it's frozen.
He said he wants to be one.
It's like a dumpling. All right, taste test time. Cheers.
It's like. Yeah. Let me break that.
What you think?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. What's your rating? 10.
It's just too crunchy.
It's an ice cream sandwich.
Yeah, I think I give it a 9 out of 10. That's pretty good.
What is it missing?
Cherries.
Cherries.
You know what? You're right. I think it's a 10 out of 10.
I think it's a 9 out of 10.
What's it missing?
The crunch needs to be gone.
You don't like the crunch?
No.
I'm trying to make it.
Unless we're doing ASMR.
But you're actually trying to just make an ice cream sandwich. If it's not crunchy. This
It's
is
like a-
crunchy.
It's like an ice cream wonton. This is so good. Thanks for watching.
You're welcome.
Bye bye.